In total 30 questions I'll be dealing, which are most repeated previous year questions for maths class 10, and the link of all the previous videos I'm going to attach in each video's description. You can go down and check those videos to know all the questions that we have solved in this entire series. I am putting this in a one playlist, so you can go to the entire playlist whenever you want according to your wish to understand and learn along with me.
Let's start with this question. In the given figure, a circle is inscribed in a quadrilateral ABCD. This is the circle which is inscribed inside this quadrilateral, in which angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So I've already put this sign, angle B equal to 90 degree. If AD equal to 7 centimeter, A to D, this is 17 centimeter, AB equal to 20 centimeter, this value here, AB is 20 centimeter, and DS equal to 3 centimeter. Now this this area here, not area but the length here, DS is 3 centimeter. Then find the radius of the circle. We need to find the radius of circle. This is also a radius, this is also a radius. So first let's understand what will be the value of AS. Okay, these are actually the lines of this quadrilateral or the sides of this quadrilateral, not the lines but the sides of the quadrilateral are actually tangents to this circle because they are touching at a single point, like here S, at one point S, here similarly here the point is R, here it is D and Q. So on the four sides the circle has got 4 tangents. So here AD is equal to 17 centimeter, we have got this. SD also is given, SD is equal to 3 centimeter. Now easily we can find the value of AS. Why I am trying to find this AS? I'll tell you. AS will be equal to AD minus SD, which is 17 minus 3, which is actually AS value will become 14 centimeter. So this value here, AS will be 14 centimeter. Now look properly. This is an external point A, and from this external point A, there are 2 tangents going to the same circle. Now the length of this particular value AS will be equal to AQ. This is 14 centimeter, AS is 14 centimeter, AQ, this tangent up to the point Q here will be 14 centimeter. Implies if A is equal to 14 centimeter, it implies AQ equal to also equal to 14 centimeter. Now why? Since there are 2 tangents, AS and AQ are 2 tangents from the same point. This is the theorem that we have studied, are 2 tangents from the same external point A. I am writing it down, the statement, because this is very important. How do we reach at that? If A is equal to 14 centimeter, that means AQ is equal to 14 centimeter, because AS and AQ are 2 tangents from the external point A to the circle. So circle O with center O, or whatever the center is. So this much we have found. Now AQ if we know, then QB value we can easily find out. Therefore, what is the value of QB? QB will be equal to AB, whole of AB minus AQ. AB minus AQ. This is simple maths, very simple maths. Now what is the value of AB? 20 minus 14, which is 6 centimeter. We have found the value of QB. Now let's come here. Let's have a look at this particular figure here, quadrilateral here. In quadrilateral OPBQ, if you look, these are 2 tangents from the point B. So this angle here will be 90 degree. This angle here will also be 90 degree. Angle P will be equal to angle Q. Why? Because they both are 90 degree. And reason you have to write, since tangents, tangents from same external point B, and tangents always make 90 degree, tangents always make 90 degree with radius. That is why angle P and angle Q equal to 90 degree. This is also the radius of the circle. OP is the radius of the circle. OB is the radius of the circle. Then clearly that means with this tangent CB will be 90 degree here. Similarly, AB will be 90 degree here. Okay, I hope I'm clear. You must be remembering all the theorems if you have to solve this kind of questions. Tangents, you can write the tangent name also, AB and CB. Always make 90 degree with radius. I have written R instead of radius. So angle P equal to angle P and angle Q equal to 90 degree. This angle B, it's already given that it is 90 degree. You have to write it within brackets that it is given. Now obviously this angle O will be equal to 90 degree. Why? Because quadrilateral, any quadrilateral will have total sum of all the sides, sum of all the angles will be equal to 360. So we have got 270, 90 plus 90 plus 90. That means this angle O implies angle O will be also equal to 90 degree. That means there are 390 degrees and two sides are R, radius. And one more thing, from this external point B, these two are what? These two are will always have the same length, right? Same length. Why? Because this is an external point B and these are tangents from it to this circle. So BP equal to QB. I can safely now write, if two sides OP and OQ, adjacent sides, not opposite sides, adjacent sides are equal, OP and OQ equal to 90 degree, and all four angles are equal to 90 degree. That means this is a square. This implies I'll write it here, otherwise suppose it's not visible, then my entire whatever I've told till now will go in waste. So I'll put an arrow over here and write here, if angle OP and OQ are of radius R, and we know BQ and BP will be equal, any value, right now we are not considering the value, any value, that whatever it will be same for both, because they are tangents from the same external point B to the circle. Then, and all four angles are 90 degree. That means this OPBQ is what kind of quadrilateral? It's proof that it is a square. Is a square. Okay. That means if QB is equal to, we have just found the value over here, QB equal to 6 centimeter, all the sides, that will be like PB, and these two sides are radius R. All the sides will be equal to the radius of the circle, which is now equal to 6 centimeter, because in a square all four sides have got equal length. So PB will be also, this side will be also equal to 6 centimeter, and these two radius will also be equal to the 6 centimeter, equal to QB. Everything QB, PB, OP and OQ all will be equal to R, which is actually nothing but equal to 6 centimeter. So in this way we have found the radius of the circle, which is equal to 6 centimeter. I hope I am clear with this solution. If not, please let me know in the comment section.
If you're watching all my videos and learning from them, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics, because I'll be posting more such videos which will be greatly helpful to you.
Now let's start with this question from statistics. Question is saying, consider the following frequency distribution of the heights of 60 students of a class. So this is height in centimeter and number of students for each class of height. It's also given. Question is asking, find the upper limit of the median class in the given data. So what I have done, I have already drawn this in this way, this table, to find the cumulative frequency for each class. So here first class 150 to 150 to 155 centimeter will be 15 cumulative frequency. Then we'll add 15 to 13. That is how we find the cumulative frequency. We add the frequency of the first class to the frequency of the next class. So, then we get the cumulative frequency. 28 plus 13 is 28. Then 28 plus 10 will be 38. 38 plus 8 is 46. 46 plus 9 is 55. And finally 55 plus 8 is 63. So our n, value of n, that is summation of all the frequencies, is 63. So n by 2 will be 63 divided by 2, which will be 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2 again, and 3 minus 2 is 1, and then one decimal 0 will come. So total 10 will be here, so which is 2 5s are 10. So you can find it this way, either cancel out or you find in the normal division method. So n by 2 will be 31.5. So we will look at which class has got frequency just greater than 31.5. That will be 38, right? It is the frequency, the class which has frequency just greater than cumulative frequency just greater than 31.5, just greater than n by 2. That is which class? Class is 160 to 65. And what is the upper limit of this class? Upper limit for this class is 165. Therefore, upper limit of the median class will be, this will be the median class, right? Because the value cumulative frequency here is just greater than n by 2. So therefore, this will be the median class, and the medium class upper limit is 165. Okay, this is a very simple question and we have to find the answer. Very easily we can find out just by not making any mistakes. Let's move to the next question. Now let's start with this question. This is the last question of this series, most repeated previous year question for grade 10. So let's complete this. This question is asking, in what ratio does x-axis divide the line segment joining the points a 3,6 and b minus 12, minus 3. So I have drawn the x-axis here. The line segment also I have drawn, AB, with coordinates A having coordinates 3,6 and B is having minus 12, minus 3. So how to approach this question? If we know that, then the solution is very simple. Let's take this point here where it is intersected, where it is intersecting x-axis. Let this point be C and let the coordinates be Cx, because the x coordinate is not known. I'm just writing it 6Cx, and this y coordinate will be 0 for sure, because any point on x-axis will have its y coordinates always 0. Why I'm taking this? Why I'm considering this point as C and then taking its coordinates like this? We'll see. Now this line, let the ratio in which this line is divided be equal to, let it be k is to 1. Always take one variable. Now don't take like m is to n. Then you will get two variables which you will not be able to find out with the given amount of information here. So always let the ratio in which the line segment is divided by x-axis be k is to 1. Now let this part be k, let this part be 1. Now what is the formula? Here we don't know the x coordinate of this point C, but we know the y coordinate. So what will be the formula to find the y coordinate? That will be m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. Now this is the section formula. So here y for us is 0 for this point. This point C lies between A and B. So this will be 0 here. And what will be m? M, let's take this to be k. Then n will be 1. The other one will be 1 automatically. So k will get multiplied with this coordinate here, y coordinate 6 of A. So it will become 6k, and n is 1. 1 will get multiplied with what? y1. What is the value of y and y1 here? Minus 3. So minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. So I'm directly writing minus 3 instead of minus 3 into 1, and divided by m plus n, which is k plus 1. So this much we have substituted all the values in the section formula. Now if I take this k plus 1 to the other side, it will get multiplied with 0. Here it is divided, other side it will get multiplied. So what remains is 0 again. 0 into anything is 0. Now what is left on the right hand side of this equation? 6k minus 3. Now I will take this minus 3 to the other side. It will become plus 3. So it will be 6k is equal to 3. Alright, you write this way or you write the opposite way, one and the same thing, because it is one equation. 3 equal to 6k also you can write. If you are confused, I just made this minus 3 come to the left hand side. So it became 3 equal to 6k. So k will be equal to 3 by 6 equal to k, because 6 is multiplied here. If it goes to the other side, it will get divided. Now I can remove the common factors, 1 and here will be 2. Common factor is 3. So I remove from numerator and denominator. So k is equal to k by 1, right? Because 2, if I write 2 or let's say 3, it's equal to 2 by 1 or 3 by 1. Both are same, one and the same thing if I write like this or like this. So k, we said k by 1. K by 1 is actually what? The ratio of k is to 1. So k is to 1 value is equal to, I can write like that, 1 by 2 or 1 is to 2. Therefore, k's value, k is to 1 is equal to 1 is to 2. Then you can write a full statement that the ratio in which x-axis divides the line segment joining the points this a and b is equal to 1 is to 2. I leave that statement to you. Now, if you have doubts in any of the 30 questions that we have solved till now, please let me know in the comments section, and I will be very happy to read your comments, and it will motivate me to solve your problems and make more videos for you.